Honcho, are you ready to go get a Ford today? Kyle, are you ready to go get a Ford today?
No.
It's a free Ford.
Free Ford.
See? Free excited him. Well, we're going to go pick up a 1986 Ford F-250 with the 460 and two-wheel drive, but it's free. The guy had it. It was his grandfather's truck, and he'd like to see it go to a good place. Well, he must not really know us too well, but it's as good a place as any. Well guys, round one went to the F-250. Took some photos, but getting it on the trailer was a little bit more difficult than we imagined. So we're gonna call the heavy hitters over at Dick's Towing here in Wenatchee to grab it for us. Trailer, you've let us down. Well, round two was successful. Got this bad boy on the truck. And as an even cooler part of the deal, there's a surprise in the bed that we picked up while we were here. Hey guys, Zack here. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button so we can keep delivering fun automotive content. Also, check out these other videos from our channel.